Happy morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are doing well. In this conversation, we are moving to continuation of yesterday class. Okay, the question example 2.33. Find the square root of. Okay, so condition 7 minus 4 root 3. Solution, the condition square root of 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, let take it this value, consider for a plus b root 3. So this is already we know the rational term, isn't it? The rational number part, isn't it? So now a plus b root 3 means squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3 the whole square. So now 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore a square plus b square root 3 the whole square plus 2ab root 3. Again 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to a square root 3 the whole square means 3, isn't it? Therefore 3b square plus 2ab root 3. Now equating root 3 and equating constant, isn't it? The consider for first term a square plus 3b square is equal to 7. At the same time root 3, this is consider for equation number 1 means next case minus 4 is equal to 2ab. Therefore 2 and minus 4 2 times. Therefore ab is equal to minus 2 means b is equal to minus 2 by a. So now substitute b value in equation number 1. So substitute b value in equation 1. What will happen? So a square plus 3 into b square means minus 2 by a the whole square is equal to 7. Again a square minus 2 by a the whole square means 4 by a square, isn't it? 4 into 3 means 12. Minus 12 by a square is equal to 7. Now, so simplify means common denominator a square is there. So a square means a square into a square, a power 4 minus 12 is equal to 7. Again a power 4 minus 12, 7 into a square means 7a square. Therefore a power 4 plus 7a square bring out opposite side means minus 7a square. Sorry my dear, this is plus. So already bracket of minus sign, if you remove the bracket means positive. They are plus into plus plus only. So here also plus 12. Therefore here also plus 12 is equal to 0. Now sum product rule. So 1 into 12, 12. So minus 7. Already I told you product positive sign means selected two signs same whether positive or negative, but some negative sign. Therefore we can consider negative 3 and negative 4. Therefore how to split it? A power 4 minus 3a square minus 4a square plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore look at there, first term a power 4 and a square. Therefore a square take common outside means inside what will happen? A square minus 3 will come. The next condition also minus 4 take common outside means so a square and minus 3 will come, isn't it? Now next common factor a square minus 3. Then another one a square minus 4 is equal to 0. So each and every time equal to 0 means, so the first condition a square minus 3 is equal to 0. Then a square minus 4 is equal to 0. So a square is equal to minus 3 bring out opposite side means positive 3. Here a square is equal to 4 means definitely a is equal to plus or minus 2 will come. But here a is equal to plus or minus root 3. Already we have taken the condition for rational term. So this is actually square root of the form. This is not possible. We have considered a is equal to plus or minus 2. What will happen? So a is equal to positive 2 means what will happen? A is equal to negative 2 means what will happen? Equating the b term, b is equal to So minus 2 by positive 2 is equal to minus 1. Next case, b is equal to minus 2 by, instead of a, minus 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 2 means a positive 1. So we have the two different solution. First one, b is equal to negative 1. Second one, b is equal to positive 1. The condition, so the main condition, square root of 7 minus, listen very carefully. The main condition, 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 square root of, isn't it? Square root of the, already we know the greater than 0, isn't it? So greater than 0 means, look at there, this is not possible. Now b is equal to negative 1 is there. Therefore, what will happen? B is equal to 1 means, so first one, b is equal to minus 1 means the term will be, a is equal to, we have true is there, a is equal to true, plus b, we have what is the value? B minus 1. So minus 1 into root 3. Therefore, 2 minus root 3, one answer. Next one answer, a we have minus 2, then, so a we have minus 2, then next condition, so next one, plus b is equal to 1, 1 into root 3. So minus 2 plus root 3. So now, after simplification, the value, and we have the solution greater than 0 because square root of. So 2 minus root 3, 0 point something means definitely we will get the solution positive value. But here minus 2 plus root 3 means definitely 1 point something will come. But minus 2 again plus means minus 0, negative value only will come. But the condition greater than 0. Therefore, answer for this one, the final one, this is our correct solution, isn't it? 2 minus root 3. So therefore, our answer for here actually this is both this equation we have to check it. Okay, b is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to positive 1 in our question, square root of the term. So b is equal to minus 1, this is our correct solution, 2 minus root 3. Therefore, answer for 7 minus square root of 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay, I will continue the next question. Be stay on the line. Moving to exercise 2.11, given 5 subdivision is there. Okay, subdivision 1, second, third, sorry, subdivision 1, third and fourth to do homework. Okay, I will do second and fifth one. Listen, second one, what is the meaning? 16 power of minus 3 by 4. LCM of 16, what the answer? True, 8, again true, 4, again true, true. Therefore, instead of 2, true, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, isn't it? Therefore, we can write now 2 power 4 minus 3 by 4. Already we know a to the power m, the whole power n means we can write now a to the power m into n, isn't it? So, according to this formula, so 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 by 4. Again 4 cancel means 2 to the power minus 3. Already I told you the power of negative sign means we can take a reciprocal. 1 by 2 power 3. Therefore, answer will be 1 by 8. So, subdivision 5. Division rule, isn't it? The base will be common, no? So, base will be common means 27 power of minus 2 by 3. Already denominator negative sign. To change, bring out for numerator means positive of 2 by 3. Positive of 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. Now, 27, the common denominator 3, isn't it? Therefore, minus 2 plus 1. Answer will be 27 power of minus 1 by 3. 27 we can split now 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, 3 to the power 3 of minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So, now look at there, the same formula, a to the power m, the whole power n means a to the power m into n. Again, 3 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 means 3 cancel, value 3 power minus 1. Therefore, answer will be 1 by 3. Okay. So, I will continue the next question. Moving to 2.11 exercise from question number 2. Okay. The condition, listen, 256, the solution, 256, the power of minus 1 by 2. Again the whole power of minus 1 by 4, again the full whole power of 3. So 256 is the perfect square of 16, isn't it? Therefore, we can write it 16 square into minus 1 by 2. and whole power of minus 1 by 4, again the whole power of 3. So 2 will be cancelled, then 16 power minus 1, then again whole power of minus 1 by 4, again whole term of 3. So 16 power minus 1 means we can write now reciprocal 1 by 16, isn't it? So 1 by 16 minus 1 by 4, then the whole power of 3. So 1 by 16, how to split it? 1 by 16, we can write it 1 by 2, the whole power of 4, isn't it? 1 power 4 means 1, 2 power 4 means 16. Again, the whole term of minus 1 by 4, the whole power of 3. Again, this 4 and 4 cancel means 1 by 2, the power of minus 1 and whole power of 3. Already I told you the power of minus 1 means reciprocal means negative convert for positive. Therefore, 2 power 1, the whole power of 3. So 1 into 3 means 3. So 2 to the power 3 means answer we have 8. Okay. I will continue the next question. Exercise 2.11, question number 3. The condition x to the power 1 by 2, condition x to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power minus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 9 by 2. We have to find out, listen very carefully, given condition center positive, we have to find out minus is there. Already we know what is the meaning x to the power 1 by 2 means, we can say no, square root of x. If you remove the square means x to the power 1 by 2. At the same time, x to the power minus 1 by 2 means 1 by square root of x. So condition, suppose this is a plus b the whole square form means we have to find out a minus b without power. Therefore, a minus b the whole square formula, how to split the term? A plus b the whole square in a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So if you simplify means a plus b the whole square means, what is the meaning? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is called minus 4ab, isn't it? Now a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4a means we can say now minus 2ab. What is the meaning? A square plus b square minus 2a means we can say now a minus b the whole square. That's why a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. The condition, look at there, x by power 1 by 2 means we can say no root x plus x to the power minus 1 by 2 means 1 by root x the whole square is equal to 9 by 2. First one. Second case, what is the meaning? So x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2. This term will be equal to x to the power, so bracket, sorry, this is term root x, then minus power of minus means 1 by root x. 1 by root x. Now the condition center minus is there. Therefore the whole square means what will happen? The condition, so root x, this is the value, this value will be equal. Therefore, so root x, otherwise I will write it here. It will be equal to, so the root x minus 1 by root x means the a minus b the whole square form. So now center of square means, suppose if you take it a minus b the whole square form, this is the form a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So now root x minus 1 by root x the whole square means what will happen? A minus b the whole square form a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square means a is considered for root x, at the same time b is equal to 1 by root x. Now a plus b the whole square, root x plus 1 by root x the whole square, then minus 4 into a is equal to root x into b is equal to 1 by root x. Now root x cancel. Already we know root x plus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to what the value? 9 by 2. The whole square is in, therefore 9 by 2 minus 4 into 1 means 4 will come. Simplify now, 9 minus 2 4s are 8 divided by 2. The value will be 1 by 2. This is called, what is the meaning actually? x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 the whole square. But we need without power, isn't it? Therefore, squaring on both sides. So, squaring on both sides means what will happen? Definitely the power will be cancelled, isn't it? Remaining the term x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2. It will be equal to opposite side. Square root of 1 means 1 will come. Again square root of 2 means square root of 2. But plus or minus will come. But condition, listen very carefully, greater than 1. Therefore, answer will be positive of 1 by root 2. This is their final answer. X to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by square root 2. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 4. Simplify and hence find the value of n. The condition, solution 3 to the power 2n into 9 square, then 3 to the power minus n, whole term divided by 3 to the power 3n is equal to 27. Now, 3 to the power 2n as it is, 9 we can split now, 3 square, the power of 2, then 3 to the power minus n, the whole term divided by 3 to the power 3n. 27 we can split now, 3 power 3. The next step, 3 to the power 2n. So 2 into 2 we can write now 3 to the power 4. Again 3 to the power minus n divided by 3 to the power 3n is equal to 3 to the power 3. Look at the division rule. The base will be same, isn't it? Denominator also base will be same. Therefore, how to write it? 3 to the power 2n, then plus 4 minus n. Denominator positive 3n. Bring out numerator means minus 3n is equal to 3 to the power 3. Next step. 2n base will be same, means equating power only. What will happen? 2n, then plus 4 minus n minus 3n is equal to 3. So 2n plus 4 minus n minus 3n minus 4n is equal to 3. So 2n minus 4n minus 2n plus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, minus 2n plus 4 bring it opposite side, minus 4. Minus 2n is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel means 2n is equal to 1. Therefore, n is equal to 1 by 2. This is our answer. Because condition also find the value of n. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 5. Find the radius of this spherical tank whose volume. So, volume of sphere formula. So, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, the volume will be 32 pi by 3 is given, isn't it? The volume V is equal to 32 by 3. Volume of the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 32 pi by 3. Therefore, we need r, no, find the radius. R cube is equal to 32 pi by 3 into remaining the term bring it opposite side means reciprocal, isn't it? 3 by 4 pi. So 5 pi cancel, 3 also cancel, 4 and 32 also 8 times. Therefore, r cube is equal to 8 means 8 we can, sorry, r cube is equal to 8 means r cube is equal to 8 we can split it 2 cube. So now power will be same means equating base. Therefore, r is equal to 2 units because asking condition also find the radius, the term will be units. Okay, r is equal to 2 units. I will continue 7th question. Okay, 6th do for homework. Question number 7, simplify, actually the condition, sorry, this is actually without square. Okay, 1 by 3 minus root 8 minus 1 by square root 8 minus square root 7 plus 1 by square root 7 minus square root 6 minus 1 by square root 6 minus square root 5 plus. So take it with one line means it will be very difficult to writing the spaces. So I will take it one by one. Okay. So the first part 3 minus square root of 8. Rationalize means what is the meaning? 3 plus square root of 8 divided by 3 plus square root of 8, isn't it? So now 1 into 3 plus root 8 means 3 plus root 8 divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. Therefore, we can write now 3 square minus root 8 the whole square. Therefore, 3 plus root 8. Root 8 the whole square means 8. 3 square means 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So, answer will be 3 plus root 8, the first one. Second case. So, second case, 1 by square root of 8 minus square root of 7. What will happen? Again rationalize square root of 8 plus square root of 7 divided by square root of 8 plus square root of 7. 1 into something the same one, isn't it? Square root of 8 plus square root of 7 divided by, again a plus b into a minus b form. A square minus b square. So root 8 the whole square means 8 minus root 7 the whole square means 7. Therefore, root 8 plus root 7 divided by 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Final answer root 8 plus root 7. Third one, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Again rationalize root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6. Again 1 into something, root 7 plus root 6 divided by a plus b into a minus b. Again a square minus b square. Root 7 the whole square means 7 minus root 6 the whole square means 6. Therefore, root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Answer will be root 7 plus root 6. Fourth one, 1 by root 6 minus root 5. Again rationalize root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. So 1 into something, root 6 plus root 5 divided by, again a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Root 6 the whole square means 6 minus root 5 the whole square means 5. So root 6 plus root 5 divided by 1 is equal to root 6 plus root 5. The last one, so 1 by root 5 minus 2. Again rationalize root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2. Answer will be root 5 plus 2 divided by, again a plus b into a minus b. A square means root 5 the whole square means 5 minus 2 square means listen 5 minus 4 will come. So again root 5 plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to root 5 plus 2. Now after getting the 5 times, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The condition, so I will write this one, okay, without answer, with the part time. So first part answer, this is first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. The question, listen very carefully. The first part 1 by 3 minus root 8. 1 by 3 minus root 8, we have answer 3 plus root 8. Then center minus sign is there, bracket of. Second part answer root 8 plus root 7. Third part answer plus into root 7 plus root 6. Root 6. The fourth one minus bracket of root 6 plus root 5. Last part plus into root 5 plus 2. Root 5 plus 2. Now, they listen very carefully. If you remove the bracket, first part as it is 3, 5 plus root 8. If you remove the bracket means minus root 8 minus root 7. Next one positive as it is root 7 plus root 6. Second part minus sign is a minus into minus root 6, then minus root 5. The last part root 5 plus 2. So now plus root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root x minus root 5 plus root 5. The balance 3 and plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is our final answer. Okay. I will continue the last question from exercise 2.11. We stay on the line. Question number 8. If x is equal to given condition, given x is equal to root 2 plus root 3. So 1 by x means what will happen? So 1 by x means 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Again conjugate means root 2 minus root 3 divided by again root 2 minus root 3. So 1 into something root 2 minus root 3 divided by denominator a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So root 2 the whole square means 2 minus root 3 the whole square means 3. Therefore root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Each and every time divided by minus means so the negative root 3 convert for positive. Therefore root 3 minus root 2. This is answer for 1 by x. So after getting x and 1 by x value, then given term what is the meaning? X square plus 1 divided by x square minus 2. Each and every term divided by x means what will happen? X square plus 1 divided by x, the whole term divided by x square minus 2 divided by x. So again, so x term will be cancelled, means the same term will be repeated, isn't it? Now each and every term divided by x square by x means only 1x will come, then remaining 1 by x. Then denominator x square by x means again 1x will come minus 2 by x. Therefore numerator x value already we know. What is the value? Root 2 plus root 3, then plus 1 by x also root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2, isn't it? So now the whole term divided by denominator x already we know. Otherwise I will write it once again. X minus 2 common outside means inside 1 by x will come. The next term. So plus root 2 minus root 2 cancel. Numerator 2 root 3, isn't it? So I will write the last step only. What is the meaning? 1 by x is equal to root 3 minus root 2. So 2 root 3 divided by x already we know. What is the value? Root 2 plus root 3. So minus 2 into 1 by x root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. Again 2 root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus 2 into root 3 minus 2 root 3. Again minus into minus plus 2 root 2. Now again 2 root 3 divided by, look at there. So 2 root 2 plus root 2 we can write it 3 root 2. So plus root 3 minus 2 root 3. Therefore only 1 root 3 will come. Again conjugate means what will happen? So I will write it here. So conjugate. So conjugate means 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus root 3 into rationalize 3 root 2 plus root 3 divided by again 3 root 2 plus root 3. Now listen very carefully. Again 2 3s are 6. Root 3 into root 2. Next condition plus 2 root 3 into root 3 divided by again a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So 3 root 2 the whole square minus b square means root 3 the whole square. Again 6 into root 3 into root 2 means we can write now 6 root 6 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 will come. So 2 3s are 6 divided by, so if you remove the square means 3 square means 9 into root 2 the whole square means 2 minus root 3 the whole square means only 3. So next step. So 6 root 6 plus 6 divided by 9 2s are 18 minus 3. Again Numerator 6 take common outside means root 6 plus 1 divided by 18 minus 3 means 15. Third table possible, no? True and 5. Therefore, answer true bracket of root 6 plus 1 divided by 5. Or we can write it true by 5 separate means inside 1 plus root x. Okay. So I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.